Hello, and thank you for joining me for another episode of Festo's Garage. Today we're going to be checking out these LED bulbs from the company called LASFIT. These LED bulbs are made to be direct drop-in replacements for halogen bulbs that you find in a lot of older cars, even some newer ones that aren't equipped with LED yet. Let's go over the specs. They operate on 9 to 16 volts DC. They're 25 watts per bulb, 2500 lumens per bulb, and have a color temperature of 6000 K. Now, these are the LC Plus series lights, as well as these. They do make even brighter ones than this. Keep watching till the end of the video, and I'm going to show you what the original light bulbs look like when they're lit up, and what these replacements look like when they're lit up, and you can see for yourself the big difference that these will make. It'll be like bringing your car up to 2020 status, even if you're driving something from the 90s. Let's check them out. Packaging's made real well. That comes with some stickers and an owner's manual that's going to show you about the installation of the lights, proper installation. So I've got two sets here, and the reason being is that we have a high beam and a low beam set, and we have a fog light set. And I'm going to show you all those, the way they actually look when they're in the vehicle and the lighting difference. But for now, let's check out the bulbs themselves and see what the difference is physically. So we have a 9005 bulb here. And we have a 9005 bulb here. Let's check out the difference. That's what they look like. That's the 9005. Let's check out the 9006. That's this one. So that would be this one. So that's the 9006 bulb. And this one right here is an H10 bulb. So these are the H10, these are the fog light bulbs. So all these LC Plus series bulbs, LEDs, have the same thing in common. They all have an aluminum housing here. They all have a little fan in the back. And they all have a pigtail wire to plug them in. And that's a good thing, because sometimes cars have stuff inside the engine compartment that don't allow the room for this fan to keep the chip cool and the plug to stick out the back. So this allows you to position your wiring where you need to, so that this can still get proper airflow and fit in the stock location. Let's go check them out in the vehicle and see what the difference looks like. You can see a clear difference between the halogen light and the LED light. This is the halogen light, and that's on high beam and low beam. And this right here is the LED light on high beam and low beam. The light output difference is quite amazing. Looks so much better. Well, if you've watched the video to this point, I'd like to say thank you very much. If you haven't done so already, please click the like and the subscribe button. Leave me a comment and let me know, do you plan on getting LED lights for your car? Are you getting this brand or another brand? Let me know your experiences once you put them in. I really am interested to know. Well, until next time, GreggFesto out.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and you can watch another. And you can watch this one, you can watch this one. Different options, different choices. Some guy just brings you one option, not this guy. Two options. Watch one, this one or this one.